welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So here I am at the Dollar Tree. They have a whole bunch of stuff over here in the front of the store. Alright, so if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Alright, look at this cute thongs. Gingerbread, well, you know we got to get one of those. I have my card over here. Let me pull it back. So this is a smaller type store. And let's see. So they have the gingerbread. Let me show you what they have. Gingerbread, and this is the Christmas tree. And this is the glove. That's so cute, the sweater glove. And then they have some socks. There they go, the gingerbread. I don't know if I should grab those. Nope, I don't need them, but look at this. Here's the Christmas trees all the way. That's really pretty. And if we look at whatever dishes they have, so they have all this plastic bowls and some of the tins over there, but look at this. Here is a snowflake cup, and then Christmas cheers. These here are tins. It's kind of cute, I guess. I'm not sure if I like those, but these dishes we've seen, and I'm really liking their mugs. So farm fresh trees, let's see. They have quite a bit of them. That one says hot cocoa served here, and welcome gnomes. And look at the Christmas tree cups back there. The snowflake plates are back there. Let's see if I can grab that. I don't know if I have this set. I think I do. So I'm not going to go ahead and pick that up, but this one here is really nice. Here's some more mugs, and here are the tree. This is a dupe for Kirkland's. And then the sweater mugs are back there. I am not knocking anything down. These are the plastic plates in the green, and then these are chargers. So everything is like all mixed up. Here are the bowls. I can't get to that because it's too high. Here's the snowflake bowl. And then look at this. So I haven't seen these. These are so cute. I guess they're shot glasses. The elf. And then you have the plates. Okay, so let's see. This one says winter wishes. These are cute. And then we have more here. So I like these plastic containers. And they do come with the lids, and they do have a seal. I like them because they're stackable. Okay. I don't think I'm going to grab any of those today. So they have the monogram stockings. Let's see. And then they have the stakes for the ground. These are adorable. Let's go around before the elf. Isn't the elf so cute? The Santa. Everything is gingerbread with me this year because I don't think I've done it all this year. So here are the snow. These are really pretty. The snow glasses, and then you have these, and then you have the tree. So I'm pretty sure I saw this at Kirkland's. This is absolutely gorgeous. This one says Happy Holidays, and of course these are very familiar because they have them every year. Happy Holiday mugs, and here are some placemats. I don't want to mess anything up. And then you have some plastic containers there for packing. Stuff. So let's go around. We have some more socks over here, some mailing. Let's look at over here the towels. So this is a dish mat. So I'm not doing this theme, and they're all like that. And then these towels are Let It Snow. Merry Christmas is very pretty. And then they have the poinsettias. Don't want that. Here's the Christmas tree. I'm looking for the gingerbread guy. Let's see. I don't think they have it. Let me look at this red one. What is it? No, it says Christmas wishes. So of course I knock stuff down. Let me put it back. And then you have your gloves here. I don't need any of this stuff, so I'm not going to focus on it, but I did want to show you. So here are the gloves. And I guess I would grab them if I saw gingerbread. I like this. It's really cute. The gnome. And then look at the gift bags. So these are really cute. And you get 3 gift bags for $1.25. Let's see if they're all different. This is very nice. Then you have more of the socks. The socks are really cute, guys. I'm not liking exactly this gingerbread guy picture, but look at the snowflake. Okay, those are pot holders, and these are all the tins. And there's the gingerbread guy right there. All right, what are these? So, Christmas kit, gingerbread decoration. That is so cute. All right, so we're gonna make our way to the other aisle. So it's gingerbread house kit. That's really nice for kids. So here you have some napkins, Santa Claus, poinsettias, snowman. All right, let's go over to another aisle. I did grab candy canes. I'm not sure. And what are these? So the mints are probably a good thing to have. Also, I'm going to grab some of those. All right. So this area over here has cooking stuff for Thanksgiving. I am doing donation for carrots for the school. All right, let's go over here. So they have a food pantry on the property, which I think is absolutely awesome. And every time we stop at the store, I can go ahead and bring some stuff over. This is a nice tin. So they have all kinds. And then these are the boxes. Okay, so I think we better go on this side. Let me grab my card. Oh, look at this. Cobblestone. All right, we'll make it over here in a few and look at the tree, the snow, the burlap sacks, and here the candy canes. Let's go over here. These are the berries, guys. The large berries that you can DIY with. This one has the little frost on them. And then these are all white. All right, let me show you over here. May as well. So this wall over here, I notice is still, they moved over all of the Thanksgiving stuff over to this wall, but we're going to go right here to the Christmas wall. Let's see. All right, so they have the huge shopping bags, and then they have the gnome stockings and the reindeer headbands, and here are the garlands. I like these garlands because I don't think there's any room for these garlands. Lord. Okay, so all right, they have gift cards. Okay, and then they have the basket bags in red. So here are the scoops in green, plastic scoops, and then here's the calendar. And then there are, oh my goodness, so there are the nutcrackers, which I think I'm going to grab another 2, but I'm going to grab the ones I really like. Let's see. I think I like this one. And I don't know, I think I like this blue one. Oh no, or this one. I like these. Let's see. I'm going to grab the blue one. And of course the reindeers. Let me place this in here. Okay. I'm probably not going to show you the rest of the things that I grab, but I am going to show you this. If you have these at your Dollar Tree, you need to run and get them. These are the acrylic deer, and so I'm going to grab, probably, I'm going to try to grab 4. Okay. Let's see, because I have to move this. There they go. So I want to grab another 2, and then they have the gingerbread coloring books, and here they have the adhesive stickers, the tablecloth, and the signs. Look at that huge gift bag, and these are the garlands and the gift tags and the door knockers. Here you have the hats. This is so cute. All right, let me put this down. If you see the acrylic deers at your Dollar Tree, guys, don't hesitate because they're much more expensive than any other store. So these are all gift boxes and tins that you can wrap stuff. They even have the chair pads. And here are the canes that you can stick in the ground. Let's see. So this is a gift sack. I never seen this gift sack before. Look at this. See, for $1.25, you can't beat that. And look at the gold stocking. Some more of the placemats. I should probably do a DIY with those, and then you have some of the bows. These are the pillowcases. So this one is the gingerbread. I got some of these, and this one is the candy canes for $1.25. It's a pillow cover. And here's some more Santa towels and snowman. And here's the Christmas tree and some more stockings. They have the socks. Okay, here they have tablecloths. So let's see. Here you have the little mini lanterns. Okay, and these are stuffed. They're little stuffed Christmas Santas and elves and stuff. I like these candy canes. And here are the chair covers. So they have the candy canes are absolutely beautiful, guys. Then you have the chair covers and the Santa hat, and over there you have the Merry Christmas and some garland, the gnomes, the door knockers, and the bows. These are the snowflake. Like I said, that is a dupe, and here's some more of the nutcrackers. Okay. The nutcrackers. So, and then look at this. They have a pack of 3. I have to get to it. So they have the pack of 3 of the trees. I got some of those. These Christmas trees are nice. The door knockers are really nice. And I'm telling you, these stickers, you can DIY with them. I got some of those already. So let's see what else they have over here. All right, so you have some gnomes. I'm sorry for the people who are talking in the background. I don't know why they have the penguins. And then here is the ornaments and the little gift. And here's the drums, and then those are the gifts. And these are the signs and bows. So I'm going to continue on with the next video. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy showing you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. Amen.